Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Helicopter War Thunder. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. You'll need to master the collective for altitude, the cyclic for direction, and the rudder for yaw. Practice taking off and landing gently, aiming for smooth transitions. Spend time hovering to get a feel for precise control, which is crucial for both evasion and accurate targeting. These initial steps will build a strong foundation for your aerial combat journey. Once you're comfortable flying, it's time to engage. Understand your helicopter's weaponry, from machine guns to guided missiles and their effective ranges. Practice acquiring and tracking targets, leading them if necessary. Use the environment to your advantage. Pop up from behind hills to surprise enemies, or use buildings for cover. Effective target engagement is key to securing victories and supporting your team on the battlefield. Survival is paramount in helicopter combat. Learn to perform evasive maneuvers like sudden turns or dives to dodge enemy fire. Always prioritize your targets. Eliminate immediate threats first, such as anti-air vehicles, before engaging less dangerous foes. Remember, War Thunder is a team game. Communicate with your allies to coordinate attacks and provide air support, maximizing your collective impact on the battle. As you play, you'll earn research points to unlock new helicopters and powerful modifications. Carefully choose upgrades that suit your playstyle, whether it's improved engines, better armor, or more potent weaponry. Experiment with different loadouts to find what works best for various mission types. Consistent practice is the most effective way to refine your piloting and combat skills, ensuring you become a formidable force in the skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.